Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jocy here. On today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of this Amazon purchase that I had. And yeah, it came in the package today. And now I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. I have not tried this product. Therefore, I am very excited to unpack it with you. And I've heard a lot of good things about this product. And yeah, who will not be excited, especially in my case, and you will understand that later. By the way, I want to correct myself. I have tried it from a family member, and I want to give it a try. Let's see if it works for me. Wait a minute. I'm already opening it. This was amazing because I purchased it last night and it came in the package today. Prime did work. Okay. Oh, look. Look at this. What's this? This is the GESS. Do you say GESS or GESS or GESS? SuperNova high frequency product. Oh, who have tried this already and who have any idea what is this? And now let's see what's this. I bought it myself. It's not sponsored at all. And yeah, I'm just so excited because I wanted to see some improvement in the future. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, can't you look? There you go, look at that. So who have some idea, who have tried this already, and maybe you could tell me now from the packaging itself, you could say right away, what is this? It is a high frequency massager. They say it in German, HF Stab, and it comes with four massager. Let's see, and there is also an information at the back. A portable high frequency is not considered. Okay, to be medical appliance. Please see the manual for contraindication. Continuous use is allowed for 15 minutes. The next use can be repeated after 10 minutes. Care. Please store in dry place. Keep away from the open flames and avoid high temperature. To clean, use a soft wet cloth and leave till it is dried in its natural way. Please contact the assistance center in case of malfunction. And like what I've said, I have tried this product from a family member, like a sister of mine, and my goodness, and oops, okay, so manual goes with it. This is like a manual and also warranty maintenance, and then this one is sealed. So this is how it looks like, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, I wanted to lay it down, okay, because I am afraid that I will break something if I will keep it high and open. Look, so this is there is a dial. It says on and off also at the back, and then so you could turn it on and off. And now what is very important are this massager. So the back of it is made of metal, and here it is a glass also device. Now it comes with 4 massager, this type. And then what else do we have here? Oh, wait a minute. Doesn't Jocy, be careful. Jocy, be careful, because I know myself, and this one is also another massager. Basically, these are like massager for different types of different parts of your body, because this one is I think it is also aiming for certain parts. And then I have seen this one also from like some people who have reviewed this in their channel, where they could like put it all over their face. So it depends which area would you like to like treat. And this one is the for the comb. Oh, in the inner portion of it there is this like string something. Does the other one have that? No, it doesn't have that, only this one. Look at that. And oh god, poof, I'm so afraid that I will break something in here, because I know myself, I'm a little bit clumsy. And yeah, hopefully guys it is effective, because you could see it on my skin whenever I'm vlogging, if I'm doing some review. Even right now I even have like a scar, a pimple. And yeah, I'm looking at the camera and at the same time on the monitor, just so I know which if it is still taking the camera, because sometimes my camera just suddenly stops. Okay, so this is it. In the future I'm going to give my opinion about this item, but for now it's just only plainly unboxing, and I have no thoughts yet if this is going to work or if it is not going to work. But based on what I have heard and what I have read, it should actually improve the texture of your skin. It is anti-aging. It is also good for people who have acne problems, but those are just only the things that I have read. I am not sure if it is really true, if it is effective. I will see it for myself, and I can't wait to inform you guys in the future. Maybe in a month or two I will see some result. It depends. And yeah, hopefully you do like this video. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will be updated whenever I uploaded new videos. And if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and leave your comment down below. I'd like to know if you've tried this already, what are your experience about it, or do you have any thoughts about this item right here? Feel free to leave your comment down below, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.